Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to open the link I gave you, and when you click on it, it will open here. And this is the extension you have to click that says Google Meet Grid View Fix. So you click here where it says Add to Chrome. It will ask you, and you put Add extension, and the extension will appear here. Google Meet Grid View has been added to Chrome, and you will see that in your computer, in your navigation bar, it will appear here. You cannot see it in my computer because I already have other extensions, but if I click here, I see it. You see? So, and okay. So I have the extension there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to Google Meet to show you how this works. Wait, I'm going to pause the video and I can, well, here I am in Google Meet, so I'm gonna go in and, okay. Wait, I'm gonna turn off the camera because, all right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, okay, go to this extension and I'm going to click here and it says enable grid view. You click there. Well, and you have other, well, look, highlight speakers is a good one, so that you know who's talking. Include yourself in the grid, okay. And well, and that's what you have to do. When you enter the Google Meet, you will see all your students there, okay? And now with this, you should be able to see all your students. Okay, I hope that helps. Bye.